On this Delta drop, we're going to describe the heart of DeltaStream, the workspace. We'll describe what each segment does and how it simplifies your workflow. The workspace is comprised of 4 panes. Here we have our available data stores, configured databases, SQL Editor, and results pane. On the bottom left, we have our available data stores. These can be Kafka clusters, Snowflake, Databricks, Kinesis streams, or any other configured data store. We can take a shortcut to adding a new store by clicking the plus sign. By clicking on the trial store cluster name, we see the available topics, and for this example, we're working with credit cards. Right-clicking on the topic brings up 2 options, one to view details and optionally print content, the other to delete the object. By selecting View Details, we get this summary screen that tells us how many partitions and replicas there are, in addition to key value descriptors, or we can add those if desired. By clicking on Print, we'll see the data in the topic, so let's take a look. Here we see the topic contents as a single line. Clicking on the chevron will expand the record. Now we see the JSON record expanded out. Seeing the field names and content type will help us to write the SQL statements to generate DeltaStream objects later. We'll get to that shortly, but first, for the upper left pane, we have Catalog. A catalog contains databases, which in turn contains schemas, and the schemas in turn contain a collection of DeltaStream objects. We start by creating a database for the default catalog by clicking the plus sign. There's nothing complex here, just give it a name and click Add. We've called ours TestDB. By default, a schema named Public is created with your database. This series of combo boxes across the top are drop-down lists of the available databases, schemas, and data stores in your catalog. By setting these default values, your SQL need not reference them explicitly. Moving to the SQL Editor, this is obviously where we type and execute SQL commands. This SQL statement is going to create a stream-type DeltaStream object in your public schema. It is providing a layout definition of the credit card's Kafka topic in our trial store. There are several other DeltaStream object types available, but won't be used in this example. Now on the left, we see the credit card stream defined, so we perform a simple query against it to find all the credit cards where the card ID is not equal to 5. The results pane at the bottom shows us qualifying records as well as the statement we executed. Just as we had a right-click menu for data stores, we have it for items in the catalog. Let's look at what is available for a DeltaStream object. We can view the details of the object or delete it. Objects can also be deleted via SQL, just as they are created. Here we see the column descriptors for the object. We can also view the metadata and additional details. The right-click menu for databases and schemas also allow you to view additional details, set them as default, create new ones, or delete them. We just walked through the DeltaStream workspace, described what each pane does, and how to best take advantage of them. Visit our website and sign up for a free trial to try it for yourself.